Hello friends, welcome back with one more critical reasoning question. The question is from official guide. Level is medium, range is 650, concept is weakening. Whenever we solve any weakening question, what is our first job? To identify argument. Argument is premise plus conclusion. After identifying argument, we have to attack on conclusion. It's been what we have to find the option that should say it is. We can look at conclusion from other way, from otherwise. So weakening means attack on conclusion. So option that justifies attack on conclusion becomes the best option. So let us understand passage. It says at enormous research cost, a leading chemical company has developed a manufacturing process for converting wood fibers into a plastic. According to company, this part plastic can be used for, among other things, the hulls of small sailboats. But what does the company think sailboat hulls used to be made of? Surely the mania for high technology can scarcely go further than this. So first of all, argument. What is argument? This is your argument part and this is background information, right? What background says that as per new research, this research, plastic can be used for other things of hulls. As per research, it says that wood fibers into plastic. Wood fiber can be converted into plastic and that can be used for hulls. Alright, but now the argument comes. What does this company think sailboats hulls used to be made of? Now it is raising question that actually hulls of a small boat is made of actually the same iron and other stuff, same as plastic. Surely the mania for high technology can scarcely go further. So now argument says that because in the past they used to be made of the same thing. So it is not the technology, or technology cannot develop anything new related to hulls of sailboat. Alright, and we have to weaken. It's been what we have to find out an option that should say, yeah, technology can go further than that. Alright, so let us go to option. Option A, the plastic produced by process is considerably lighter, stronger and more water weight than wood. So it wants to say that now it is far better than it used to be in past. Okay, so it seems fine. So hold it, let us go to option B. The wood used in producing the plastic is itself in increasingly short supply. Again, the passage is not about supply, but the passage is about question against technology. So option B out. C says the cost of manufacturing process of the plastic increases the cost of producing a sailboat hull by 10 to 15%. Argument is not about price. Argument is about technology cannot go beyond what they can do now. And we are looking for an option that should say that technology is really better than what it used to be. So it is doing something better. But option B is all about manufacturing process and its cost. So B out. It says much of the cost of research that developed the new process will be written off for the tax purposes by the chemical company. So it is about cost. Passage is not about the cost, passage is not about supply, passage is not about manufacturing process. It is all about that what technology new can do, right? Alright, so option D out. Option E says the development of new plastic is expected to help make the chemical company an important suppliers of both building materials. The development of new plastic is expected to help make chemical company an important supplier. So what it is making important supplier? As I said, that passage is not about what is important, but the passage is about that what technology can do better. And it's been what? Option A is the best option. Why? Because it is giving the clue that yeah, it is better than the past. It's been what technology can go further than what it is. So option A is the best option.